Hi, in this video, I'm going to share with you what I believe to be the most impactful thing that you can do after you graduate the Silva Method. Hi, my name is ERIKA Morales, and I'm a certified Silva Method instructor, and I have 40 years experience using the Silva Method tools and techniques. If you like this content, be sure to like and subscribe. So I originally took the Silva Method in Houston, Texas, and shortly thereafter we moved to Laredo, Texas, which is, if you know the story behind the Silva Method, that is the birthplace of the Silva Method. That's where Jose Silva lived with his family. So when I was there, my mom and I would attend these Silva events, and yes, I did meet Jose Silva and his daughter Laura Silva, who was actually a Silva Method instructor for many, many years. So I was super duper blessed in having that experience. But while we were there and going to these events, my mom met a lot of Silva graduates. So she decided to host a cottage group. And that was basically a group of Silva graduates would come over to our house and we would practice meditating and doing the Silva Method tools and techniques. We would energize each other's goals. We would send healing energy to people. We would do all sorts of different meditations from the Silva Method, just honing in our skills. And looking back, I think that is why I have been practicing for 40 years, because it just became a part of my routine. But not only that, to be so young and to be in that energy of these other women, they would come over on Wednesdays and they were all women. There's like 7 or 8 of us. And they'd come over and we'd sit down and we'd meditate. And even sometimes they would have me lead the meditation, which was so transformational for me to have to guide all of these women who were double my age at the time, guiding them into meditation and just gaining that confidence in myself that I could do these meditations whenever I wanted. So that, I believe, is the most important thing that you can do once you graduate the Silva Method, is join a cottage group. Nowadays, they're done over Zoom. My graduates all have access to the Silva, we call them masterminds, but it's basically a cottage group, and we all meet over the Zoom. We meditate together. We energize each other's goals. We do the manifesting meditations. We do meditations to send people healing energy. And it's just a wonderful, beautiful space to be in communion with other like-minded people, but specifically other people who have taken the Silva Method course. It is just a huge blessing, and it's something that I offer to my Silva graduates. So if you're ready and you want to take the Silva Method, Silva Life and Intuition Systems seminar, that's what it's called now, please be sure to click the links, be sure, be sure to click the link in the comment section below, and I hope to see you there. Thank you.